In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to insert a button. So that you can assign a macro to. So before you do anything, you should at least have a macro or recorded in your spreadsheet. So here's like macros I've created: back button, goal seek button, etc. So basically, I want to create a button here that takes me from the main menu page to the goal seek page. So to do that, firstly, we've got our default ones. If you go to the developer tab, you've got your default buttons where you go to the insert, and the first one, form control, you can insert that button, and now you get this pop-up window to assign a macro to it. So we want to assign goal seek macro to it. So once we've selected the macro we're going to assign to the button, click OK. Okay, just edit that now. So edit the text, rename that goal seek. Okay, and that's it. So now that's your button created. If you click on that button, it'll take us to the goal seek worksheet. Okay, I've got one, here's one I created earlier, goes back to the main menu. Okay, so by default, this is the buttons that are in spreadsheet in Excel. However, if you want to make your own custom-made buttons, what you need to do is you go to Insert tab, and then you just pick any shape that you want to make the button for. So here's I'm just going to pick a curved rectangle there. I'm going to draw that button. Okay, at the moment it's blue. I may want to change the color to that button, so let's just edit those colors. So fill shape. I'm going to just make a yellow button, and outline. Just going to change that same color. Okay, so now I've got my button. If I right click on it, I can add some text to it. So I'm going to add the text goal seek. Okay, let me just change the font color of that text as well. What color should we do? Let's do it black. Center it. Make the font bigger. Okay, now I've got my goal seek button. So now here's my custom made button I've created. What I'm going to do now, once I've created it, right click on it, and then there should be an option that says assign macro, and then you'll get this pop-up window and just assign the correct macro, appropriate macro that you want to assign to it. Click OK, and that's it. Now you've got a button, a custom made button that takes you from page to goal seek. So you can make either the default ones that come with Excel, or you can custom make your own buttons.